All right, this one's going to be a little different. Not very car related, other than we drove a car there. But yeah, give it a watch. Maybe some of you guys will like this stuff, maybe not. But this is what we do in our spare time, other than car stuff. So here you go.
What's our resistor? Can you get us a new one?
Yeah, they're 2N3055.
2N3
Does look bulged.
Yeah, 3055. Okay. We're gonna probably need a little bit more, another packet of that silicone.
That does look bulged though.
So we'll put a brand new one in and
compare that to the one of the other ones at the top. Or am I just fucking hallucinating here?
I don't know. We'll just replace it.
Right.
Maybe I'll get that light and get that light, and this thing's gonna be a brand new plane.
Brand new plane. What do you need lights for? Silicone?
Oh,
I got the sleeves here.
No, I was talking about the new stuff. Yeah, it's hot. I don't know why I don't have a LED one. I mean,
LEDs get hot too.
Do they?
Not that.
Trying to hang it.
Do you got? Put it on this.
What?
Put it on this.
Let's.
That'll be fine. Or don't let it burn my papers off.
Well, I didn't want it spinning around.
Don't burn a hole in your shag.
Did you find more of this stuff?
Shag carpet.
This stuff?
Has it up there.
What?
You got any of this? More of this?
Oh no.
We need a new package of this.
Dielectric grease?
I think there was only one in there, right?
There was like 2 or 3.
Tight.
Yeah, no shit. We'll get it. Is that magnet? I said that's going to be a game changer.
Oh, that made it so much quicker.
I got nothing in here.
We should have. I've got like 3 of them, unless it's right here.
What we
Find this package in front of me.
What we've resorted to doing. It's the last one.
All
so
right,
you only ordered 3? Did you know there was 4 in there?
Yeah, the 4th one's different.
Oh.
So I didn't get that one. I would have got that one too.
Okay, makes sense.
I don't think I was going to have to replace all of them though.
No, but
here I am. I figured it was just going to be one.
Here we are.
Can you get me a silicone thing?
Please?
You got me a new one out? I got this shit all.
Did it get you fucking pulling your plane around? Do you want to close the door? Time to get fuel. It's kind of bullshit that it's self-service. They come here and pump it for you.
Over on the other side is 50 cents more a gallon.
Over at Millionaire? Yeah. Pull the pump handle? I don't know how to work it. I don't pump my own fuel. That's what I was doing. It's on. Why can't regular gas pumps be this fast?
Oh.
It'd be nice if fucking gas pumps at the gas station were that fast. It's like, oh, 3 gallons already.
Battery and alternator switches on. Fuel quantity indicators. Check quantity. Checklist complete. Mixture. Full ridge. Propeller. High RPM. Throttle. Full open. Auxiliary fuel pump. On until fuel flow peaks. Then off. Throttle. 1/4 open. Magneto start switch. Start. Release to both after start.
Clear prop.
Mixture. Idle cut off. Throttle. Open. Magneto start switch. Start. Throttle. 1000 to 1200 RPM. Oil pressure. Check. External power. If used. Disconnect. Alternator switch. On. Check for charging. All engine indicators. Check.
Freaking sun. Why'd you tell me not? Should have freaking grabbed the sunglasses. Oh, thanks. You got a pair?
I don't need them. I got beer.
Ryan. Not yet. We're gonna watch you like a hawk back there. It's my rearview mirror. Oh, you did the miss and then circle